And good afternoon, good evening, good day, students. Welcome to the second week of the DMP 1010 Intro to Multimedia class. I'm trusting everybody got in okay last week. Well, of course I'll know that because I can see your assignments. And got your introductions done, and also got the little quiz at the end of Chapter 1 done. I'm coming to you this week because I want to talk a little bit about fireworks, because we're going to start downloading some free softwares, and we'll do this every 4 weeks or so to cover the 3 softwares that we'll be doing in the book. The first one is, of course, we're going to start with fireworks. I'm going to open up this week's assignments here and show you exactly how to access that. Alright? I got a couple short video clips in there that talks a little bit about fireworks, but if you come down here under the fireworks instructions, you'll see there you can click to a link that allows you to download the software. And when you go to there, you'll go to a site that looks like this, where it says you can download a free trial of the Adobe CS6 software. You actually have 2 options under here to download the software. You can download it directly to your computer, and the trial runs for about 30 days. Another option that they give you is to join the Adobe Cloud. This is something I haven't looked a whole lot into. I know some students that are doing it, and when you join the cloud, what they do is they allow you to join for free, but if you want full access to everything that's on their cloud, which includes all their software, it runs about $20 a month. Eventually, I think we'll have the students doing this. But for this class, for something free and easy, we're just going to hit this download now button, okay? And at that point, it'll ask you to sign up for an account, and then what you have to do is you'll have to put in it, give them a username and password and some other information. They don't send you a lot of crap or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to download that software. All right. Once that software is on our computer, all right, what we need to do is we need to access the files needed to work with fireworks this next week, and we do that by clicking here. And what that does is that takes us out to the companion site that goes along with the book, and it brings up a page like this. All right, and under there on the left hand side, we can go to the data files, and we can download the data files for the softwares that we're going to be working with. Particularly this time, we're going to be dealing with fireworks, so it'll be that zip file right there. Just click on it, download it to your desktop, expand it out, open it up. If you have trouble with that, let me know. And those will be the data files that you will need to work on this week's assignments. Alright, I have placed them in there in another way also. If you go back to our home page, there we go, and down here, further down in the lessons, there's the data files for Fireworks Chapter 1. You can open that up and right mouse click on those and copy the image to a folder on your desktop, and those will be the files that you will be using to create this week's fireworks projects. Alright, I want to cover one other thing real quickly with you, and that's the actual fireworks interface itself. So if once you get fireworks installed, if you open it up, alright, this is the interface that we'll be dealing with fireworks. It's pretty standard across the Adobe packages. Their interfaces all pretty much look the same. There's a menu bar across the top with some tools on it. There's a panel group over here on the side that allows you to do different things, and your tool selection is over here on this side. The center area is our main work area. Alright, and then down below here we have what's known as the Properties Inspector. So I'm just going to real quickly open up a new fireworks document. I'm just going to accept the defaults there. Alright, and you can see I have a small work area here in the center. Alright, and once I have that work area active, my Properties area becomes active down below. Alright, along with everything else. Alright, so once you import one of those files in, so I'm going to go ahead and open up one of those files that I'm going to have you work on this week. And my computer is being a little slow today, but that's alright. I need to go to my desktop. And into my fireworks. Chapter 1 data files. A long way around the bush there. And I will open up that. And you can see that's the file that we'll be working with to start with this week. Okay. Notice as I click around objects on the screen, things in the property box changes down here. If I click on the background image, it's telling me that it's a bitmap image. If I click on the text, it's telling me, okay, you're dealing with text. And this is where you change the parameters of the tools that you're going to be working with. Alright? It also has a lot to deal with the layers and things on the side. As you go, make sure you're going through the lessons and reading each page carefully and just following the instructions, step by step, and you'll pick up real quickly on how all these panels and these tools work together. Alright, I hope you have a great week this week, and if you have any questions, email me as soon as you can. My suggestion is get this downloaded and start working on it early in the week in case you have any issues that come up. We can get them dealt with right away, so we can keep you moving on your projects. Okay, you all have a great week, and we'll talk with you soon.